Hey guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. Today it's a video update about the MGF. Here is my MGF, and all of you must be wondering why haven't I talked about my MGF more on the channel. And today it's a video about the update on the MGF. As you can see, the engine is running, purring nicely over there. You can hear that. Yep, the engine is beautiful. What's not beautiful is this. Let me turn the camera around. I think I told you before, the problem with the MGF right now is the suspension. As you can see there, right now, that car is slammed, and no, that isn't a stance life. What's wrong is this car came with air-matic suspension, and right now, at the moment, it's on coilover, more of a modification kit, which isn't doing its job. I've ordered the air-matic suspension from Netherlands. Someone is helping me to fabricate this, and it's on its way. But yeah, that's the status. Once I get that done, the car can run on the road. Right now, as it is, the engine is beautiful. Mind the stuff over here. Let me get inside. As you can see there, it's idling beautifully at 1000 RPM. And if I rev the car, yep, the engine is revving in there. How I sit in the car itself, as you can see, I'm not the tallest guy. I'm 170 and it fits me like a glove. Let me see outside, looking in. Yep, it fits me very well inside. Not an issue whatsoever. Even leg room here, it's exceptionally nice. I quite like how this car fits me. What needs to work on the car interior wise is a bit more complicating. Let me show you what I mean. So let me start with the dash. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so up in the dash there, the steering itself, yep, I can lift with this, it's not a problem. The cowl, the cover for this, as you can see, it's a bit shaky. I got to get to an upholstery shop and get this done. This bit here has come out a bit. Again, upholstery shop, they will steam this and put it back. This bit here, as you can see, aircon vent is broken. I've ordered new parts from UK. It's arriving soon. Over here, this is a bit aged. I'm going to change this to a small Android head unit, and again go to a upholstery shop. They will steam this and get this all sorted out. Down here, a bit of polishing required. This leather needs to be replaced. The button, I got to find a button that's more appropriate. I have no idea what this does though. I know this is the side windows. This is for the fog light, air conditioning, circulation, but I'm not sure what the rest are. This is not original dials. Again, I've ordered this also from UK. What else we have over here? The main issue right now I got to fix interior wise is this latch over here. This is the latch for the soft top. Again, I've got this parts came. It's in my house. I got to change this. And there's a small rip there in the soft top. I probably might just repair that, go to a shop, or might change the whole fabric. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, but that's a lot of interior work, which is not really a big thing because it's an old car. I can live with the fact it's not perfect interior wise, but the suspension has to be fixed because I'm going to take this car on 2 gears and I need the suspension to be perfect, you know. Question was, Tana, why didn't you go with coilovers? Now, coilovers are fantastic, but they will mean the car will be more harsh on the road. The car will be, I mean, this car was made the same time as the Lotus Elise S1, and when Lotus went for a more lightweight aluminum body, they went for a typical body design, monocoque and all that stuff. But yeah, it would never be as light as Elise, although the engine and the gearbox are the same as Elise. However, what this car had was air-matic, and it gave a very soft ride. It was plush, it was bouncy, and I think that's the character of the car, and I don't want to lose it. Why should I lose the what makes the MGF its MGF, you know, that air-matic British gentleman comfort? I don't want to lose it. That's why I want to keep it original. I'm going to put it back the way it was, and hopefully it'll be a awesome ride once it's ready. Again, the car is ready. Suspension from Netherlands. Yuri, I'm waiting for you. Please send it over quickly. I know it's COVID and it's hard from Netherlands to ship it here, being it's a compressed unit, but I'm waiting for your parts to come in, and once that's in, Everywhere I go, you most likely see me driving this car than anything else. The Audi is going to sleep. The MGF is going to take center stage. So I can't wait. So that's my update. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed this long video format. If you like it, say yes. If not, we'll go back to going the typical portrait version. But yeah, I quite like giving you updates. Stay tuned and bye.